Talk to me. Hey girl, hey, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is lachelletrends, and since in today's video we are doing a Walmart haul, but not just any Walmart haul, it's a back to school Walmart haul. School is about to be in session. We're going back to school shopping. It's tax-free weekend. Like sis, you already know your girl had to come through with a back to school Walmart haul. So here we are, girl, and this time around, or every time around, I think I get some good pieces, but this time around I think they came out with a lot of new things, especially in my Walmart. Like, it's a lot of new things, and I was excited, like new graphic tees, and girl, yeah, just exciting. So I can't wait for you guys to see this haul. I will try to have everything linked of what I can. Of course, you already know some of the graphic tees are only in stores, but if I can find them online, I most definitely will link them. And yeah, everything I got in the stores, y'all already know. Y'all are gonna come shopping with me and see everything that my store has to offer first, and then we'll jump into the video. And yeah, so anyways, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. On my channel I do fashion videos, hair videos, as well as playing makeup, so go ahead and join the gang, sis, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can be notified of each video I post. So yeah girl, let's get into it. So as always, I'm gonna take you around my store and show you what it has to offer, so sit back, enjoy, and then we'll jump into the outfits. Okay y'all, so for this first outfit, we're coming out with the typical back to school outfit, like little school girl little look or whatever. Anyway, so here is the graphic t-shirt, super cute. It's AC/DC, and it says for those about rock or about to rock. And yeah, just super basic, black and white. I just thought it paired nicely with the skirt. I got it in a size medium, and this is from the men's department. I want to say that their t-shirts went up, and this was $8.94. And again, you guys, I told y'all that they came out with a lot of new graphic tees. You know how they kind of just stick with the same graphic tees all year round, or sometimes for years on out. But girl, I noticed that they got a lot of new graphic tees, and this was one of them that probably will be like reoccurring like all the time in the store. But anyway, so yeah, y'all know the prices are going up, so I think this was like $8.94. Normally they're like $7.94, so they probably went up just $1. But yeah, super cute. It fits me really nicely, not too big and not too small. Y'all know how I like a little bit of a loose fitting. And then it paired with this cute skirt, y'all. The skirt is cute. It is so cute. I was so excited when I saw this skirt. I actually went to another store and they had this in black as well, so it does come in another color. This is from the juniors department, and I got it in a size large. Now I typically size up. My normal size is a medium, like all around, like women, men's, whatever. I always get a size medium, but I got a size large because it's in juniors, and juniors typically run big. But sis, get your normal size, because this was too big for me and I had to pin it on the side. So I will go back and see if they got a medium. Hopefully they do, because this skirt is cute. It's probably gonna sell out. But yeah, super cute. I got it because I like the patches. I just thought the patches were really cute, and it just allows you to style it like with maybe like an orange top. It just gives you a different vibe or whatever. So yeah, really cute, y'all. This skirt was $15.98, and it's in the brand No Boundaries. So yeah, real cute. It's nothing on the back or whatever, no patches or anything, but I just thought it paired really nicely with the black and white t-shirt. And then I paired it as well with some black and white dunks and just some silver jewelry to tie it off. If you're able to wear hats at your school, like if you're in college or whatever, I would definitely throw on a trucker hat with it, girl. And then when it starts to get cold, throw on a bomber jacket. Sis, like, you have so many options with this look. Y'all, so this next look is me. It's like me all the way. Like, this is how I typically dress all the time. So here is the graphic t-shirt. It says Splime, and then at the bottom, child, we ain't even gonna get into all that because my eyes just don't work like that. But yeah, I can't read it. So anyways, so it says Splime, and yeah, just cute. Now, I don't really know who Splime is. I probably should have googled it because I really don't like to wear stuff that I don't know what it is. But I mean, I think I've seen it before. Hopefully it's nothing bad or whatever. But yeah, it's super cute. I got it in a size large, and y'all already know I like my things to be like oversized, and this was really oversized, and it's from the men's section. Again, y'all, this shirt was $8.94, and it just was a nice fit. Like, I kind of tucked it in on the side because it was oversized, but again, y'all, I like that type of thing. If you don't like oversized tops, get your normal size. But yeah, super cute. And then I paired it with these faux leather pants. Now, I just feel like you can never have too many faux leather pants. Like, I have so many, but they all fit differently. So yeah, I went ahead and got these. I got these in a size 9. Now, this is one of those items where you probably want to just get your normal size, because I got a size 11. I sized up because, again, juniors run small, and yeah, I got this from the juniors department. But a size 9 was like the right size. Like, it fit to the T. A size 11 fit me as well, but it was very loose, and I feel like these pants are supposed to be a little like stretchy and a little form-fitting. So yeah, a size 9 in the brand No Boundaries, and these were 19, girl, why am I doing that? These were 1988. So yeah, that's a good price. And then the bottom is the only thing that I'm like, it could have been a better fit, because they're like a straight leg pant. They're not like a skinny leg to where it fits your ankles or whatever, but it's not bad or whatever. And especially if you wear high top shoes like I did, if I would have wore low top shoes, they probably would have been a little bit of high waters or whatever. But overall, I feel like it's a decent fit, especially for Walmart. I feel like they fit me really nicely, because you do know that like faux leather pants run small all the time anywhere that you buy them, and I be like jumping to get in them. Anyway, Shy, I know y'all like, girl, we don't care. But yeah, so I paired it with some orange and white Jordans or mids, whatever, and then yeah, just was cute together. So this next look, sis, this again is just me all the way. Like, if you see me on a regular day, like, I'm always in some type of sweats, sneakers, just real comfortable or whatever. So yeah, I got this from the men's section. Of course, y'all know how I feel about the men's section. I got this in a size large. It's in the brand No Boundaries, and child, it was $19.98. It says oversized hoodie. Girl, that makes sense. Like, y'all already know I like oversized. I don't know how many times I have said that on my channel, but I got this in a large just so it could be oversized, right? And I felt like just immediately looking at it that it was going to be too big, and girl, this is definitely too big. I probably should have read the tag before I chose my sizing, because sis, it is definitely big. But I like big because it's comfy, but it's kind of like drowning me. That's why I have like my hands in my pockets or whatever, just to, you know, whatever. But yeah, it's still cute, and I probably will still keep the large top. I don't know. Anyway, so yeah, I got it in a size large. It has pockets here. Just super cute and comfy, y'all. So yeah, so then it paired with the bottoms. I will definitely need to go back and get me a different size in the bottoms, because I got these bottoms in a size large as well. Because again, y'all, you just never know with Walmart sizing. Sometimes it's too small, sometimes it's too big. So I feel like this outfit is true to size, so definitely get your size. And again, y'all, the hoodie is oversized. But yeah, so I got these bottoms in a size large. I should have got them in a medium and or small. It just says jogger pants. girl, it just says jogger pant, and they were $18.98. And again, y'all, it's in the brand No Boundaries, and y'all see how big they are. Like, sis, I should have known. I just be picking up stuff, I don't try it on, and yeah, this is what you get when you don't try stuff on. But yeah, they're kind of big, but again, y'all, they're so comfortable, and it has drawstring, so you're able to like just tie in the waist if it is big. So I could do that, but it was like a lot of like stuff in the middle. And then this is what the bottom looks like. It's gathered like a, you know, they're joggers. So yeah, super super cute, and they're not tight. Some of their joggers are run tight, and they're not tight. Like, this is a good fit, good quality. And yeah, I paired it with my old Fila's, and yeah, we're just basic. So y'all, this next look, sis, this jacket, I love me a good jacket, and girl, the jacket is bomb. It's super cute, the colors are pretty, and this jacket also came in another color, but it was, I think it was just like plain beige. I'm not sure, I can't remember, but all I know was that the colors in this jacket just screamed get me. So yeah, so this is from the women's department in the brand Free Assembly. I got it in a size medium, and this jacket was $42. Now $42 is a little pricey, but if you think about it, shackets and jackets kind of run around that price, even if you get it like from Shein, Fashion Nova, places like that, you're still gonna pay that price. H&M, you know, anywhere you go, you're gonna pay around $40, on the low 30 for a jacket. So I think that this was a good price point, especially because the quality, if you don't already know or don't already own anything from Free Assembly is like a step up from the typical Walmart brand, and the quality of their clothing is really good, as to why they charge a little bit more. So yeah, I think this jacket is very good quality, y'all. It's kind of heavy, but kind of not. It's really perfect for the fall. Like, this is definitely a fall jacket, and or if you want to wear it in the winter too. But yeah, super cute. It has real pockets, and it feels like, I don't know, I was gonna say wool, but it's not itchy, and then it has that lining, or it doesn't. Maybe I was tripping. Maybe I thought it had lining. It just has lining up here. But yeah, it kind of has like that wool feel, but it's not itchy or whatever. So I don't know, but I think it's cute. And I paired it with some jeans. Now these jeans are from Time and True. Again, these are from the women's department, and I typically don't get skinny jeans because I like my jeans to fit loose, but y'all, these fit me really nicely. Like, they have a lot of stretch. I got them in a size 8. I'm typically a size 6, but again, y'all, Walmart clothes, I kind of just sized up just in case, and I'm glad I did, because the size 8 fits me to a T. These were $16.87, and it just says core denim 4-way stretch, which, girl, I guess it does have a 4-way stretch, because these are definitely super super stretchy. So yeah, super cute. They have pockets. I feel like the length was spot on. Like, you know, sometimes you get the length and it's kind of like short because my legs are long. I feel like the length was spot on. Everything was cute. It paired nicely together. I paired it as well with a tank top that I got from Walmart maybe some time ago, but it's from Walmart, and I just paired it with that, and then I paired it with my Nikes, and overall, girl, we got us a look. So this next look, sis, so I tried to be like, you know, give the girlies that like to dress up an option, and I'm sorry I only gave y'all one option, because I just think of back to school as like sneakers. Like, you're walking if you're in college, you're walking if you're in high school, even if you're in grade school, like, sis. But anyway, so yeah, I tried to give the girls that like to dress up an option, and this is definitely cute. You can also even style this down for the ones who don't like to dress up. But anyway, this is from the women's department. It's from the brand Free Assembly, and I got it in a size medium, and this was $36. It says utility mini dress, and sis, this is like, it gives me like military vibes because it's so structured. So I wish I had like a jacket, or maybe not a jacket just because this is already like a thick material, but some type of fatigue, something. I'm going to dress this up and style this with, I don't know with what, but girl, this this is gonna have its moment with a pair of boots. I am gonna dress this down, but for this look I did again try to dress it up for the girls who like to dress up. I paired it with some booties, and y'all, it has like the little buttons, it has the pockets up here, it has the little slash, and yes, I said slash. It has a little slash right here, and just super cute. Now the arms, I noticed that the arms was a little short. I'm not sure if it was trying to be like a cordon length, but I kind of kept trying to like girl, I can't even talk. I tried to, like, you know, what is it? What am I trying to say? Oh, okay. Got it. So I tried to like take it up on my arm and like scrunch it up or whatever, and it was a look, like it's a look, but it doesn't stay. So I mean, it is what it is if it falls down, but I like it scrunched up on my arm just so it can be like more of a cordon length sleeve, just because it is a little short and my arms are a little longer. But overall, sis, the fit is really nice. Again, y'all, this is good material. It's very structured. It gives me military vibes. If you want to dress this up with some combat boots, because I'm definitely going to do that with some fatigue, something like, sis, it's going to be a vibe. But yeah, if you want to dress this down with boots, you can dress it up like I have it with some booties. Sis, you're going to be a showstopper, definitely. Okay, y'all, so for this last outfit, y'all, the last outfit, I feel like, again, this is a must to have like patches for back to school. It's just like a classic. Like, you cannot go back to school and not have something that has patches on it, like a varsity style jacket or anything like that. Like, it's just a must. Anyway, so I got these pants out of the juniors department, and they're from the brand No Boundaries. I got them in a size 11, and they were $19.98. Now, let me say this, these pants run so small. My normal size in juniors when shopping at Walmart is a size 9. And then I size up to a size 11 here and there, and I knew that these pants didn't have any stretch to it, but honey, let me tell you, you need to upsize twice because they run so small. Again, they have no stretch to the pants at all. I'm literally like not even breathing while I'm in this outfit because the pants are so tight. I can't barely even move. Like, I don't even know how I zip them up. So yeah, upsize twice. I should have got a size 13, and I think 13 is the highest size. So if you're bigger than me, these probably won't, unless they have like a plus size, they probably won't be something that you'll be able to get because honey, they run so small. Anyway, so yeah, they have patches. It says NY 93 denim crew, and then it has an A right here. But y'all, when I say this denim is just like super cute. It as well has like the little cuts or whatever here, and then some cuts there. Just super cute overall. I paired it with this with this tank top. I initially picked up a just like a regular tee, but sis, that ran small too. It had no stretch to it at all, and normally they're good with their tees, but no. So I went back and I got me a what is this, a little tank top, again from the brand No Boundaries. I got it in a size small, and I'm not sure of how much it is, but typically the ones that sit on the table that's folded up, they're like $3. So I paired it with that, as well as a flannel. Like, girl, I feel like you just have to have a flannel. It just goes. Anything varsity, you either need like a bomber jacket, a varsity jacket, you know, or a flannel, period. So yeah, I paired it with this flannel just to bring in some color. I really wanted yellow or green, but the green was too dark, and I guess red is just very typical, so just why not go with red? But yeah, super cute. This is from the men's department in the brand George, and if y'all already don't know, these are the ones that come in like numerous colors. They have green, they have blue, white, and red. They got white and white, black and white. Like this, they have a whole bunch of colors. This year now every year I get one of these tops, and this year they're $11.99. Typically they're $9.99, but again, y'all, you already know they're raising prices, so the price then went up to $11.99, which sucks. Anyway, but yeah, size large, because I like oversized outfits and stuff like that. If you want to get your normal size, get it, but I like the, you know, repetitive. I like the oversized fits. So yeah, that is the outfit. I paired it with my white and black Nike Dunks, and just, yeah, typical cute outfit. So that concludes this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.